In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit videos for LinkedIn, focusing specifically on how to add titles and subtitles to make your content more engaging and accessible. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you haven't already logged in, now's the perfect time to do so. You have the option of signing in with Google or Microsoft, or simply enter your email address and password. Should you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account by entering a code sent to your phone. This additional security step ensures your account remains safe and secure. Once you're logged in, it's time to upload your video. LinkedIn provides a convenient feature where captions can be automatically generated for your uploaded videos. This not only saves you time, but also expands your audience reach by making your content accessible to viewers who rely on subtitles. Head over to your LinkedIn feed, then click on the Start a Post box. Here you'll see an option to upload your video. After your video file is uploaded, LinkedIn will display a pop-up window titled Select Edit Your Video. This window offers a range of options tailored to enhance your video post. One crucial feature is the ability to add auto-generated captions. A toggle switch next to Add Auto Captions English Only allows you to easily enable or disable this feature. When the toggle is set to on, subtitles are automatically added to your video. These captions are an excellent way to ensure your message is clearly conveyed, even if your audio quality isn't perfect or if your audience prefers reading over listening. Lastly, after making your selections and verifying that everything is as you wish, simply click Done. Your video, now enhanced with engaging captions, is primed for sharing. Having captions attached to your video increases the likelihood that your audience will watch it with sound off, as studies show that many social media users browse without audio enabled. In summary, adding titles and subtitles to your LinkedIn videos is a straightforward process. By leveraging LinkedIn's built-in tools, you can ensure your content is both engaging and accessible to a wide audience. Don't underestimate the power of subtitles. They significantly boost viewer retention and make your videos more inclusive. Hopefully you found this walkthrough helpful and you're ready to make the most out of your LinkedIn video uploads. Thanks for joining us today, and happy editing.